Greetings, YouTube, and welcome to my backyard. It's about 10 o'clock at night, and guess what? It's snowing. Here in the Midlands of South Carolina, it's actually snowing. I thought you might like to see what my backyard here in South Carolina looks like when it's snowing. We're supposed to be getting somewhere around up to 6 inches of snow tonight, and it's going to be in the teens for the next couple of days. Now, I know that for those of you up north, 6 inches isn't any big deal, but here in South Carolina, it's a major deal. We usually get something like this about once every year, if we're lucky. And excuse my shaky hands, they're naturally shaky anyway, and it's cold. So I thought I'd just give you a little look at what snow in South Carolina looks like. So for those of you up north that have been suffering through all the snow, I feel your pain. Okay. Don't hurt me. Here's the side of my house. But I just wanted you to know that you're not alone. It's snowing even in the south now. Well, this is Spec Ops 56 saying over and out, and I'm heading into the house and getting warm. Spec Ops 56 saying